Today on Thunder Bear 4-wheel drive, we're back in the shop. And it's been the holidays and we've had a little bit of time to rest and recuperate and just, you know, I don't know, have some time to ourselves a little bit. So wanted to get back on things here, and we've acquired some stuff. So one of the first things we acquired was a new Harbor Freight 20-ton press. So one of the things I wanted to do for it was I wanted to get a air hydraulic jack for it. We also got some caster wheels so that we can roll around the shop, and we got this bad boy, the new 3-ton off-road jack. We'll be doing a specific video for that after we are done getting this press assembled and showing you guys how that goes. So stick around and let's put together a press. So I got interrupted. I wasn't able to get back to this. It's been a couple days now. So we're here and I'm gonna go ahead and drill the feet so that we can put the casters on it, and then we can start to assemble the rest of the press. So I'm just taking my square here and measuring in 3/4 of an inch on either end. So I can find center. Alright, so we got my holes drilled. Now it's time to put these casters on. So I got 2 locking casters and I got 2 regular casters. So I'm going to put the locking casters on the outside so that it's easier to obviously lock it. Alright, so got the hardware here. Gonna get these feet mounted up. Just need to make sure that I put the locking casters the right direction. There isn't a whole lot to this. This isn't like super technical or anything. So basically you mount the feet on, you get your press bed in there, and press bed pops out pretty easy. You can take it in and out, it will, and you just need to have the bars for holding the press bed in. And then we'll set up the this is actually the anvil for it. We'll have some springs that hold it to the top that'll depress the jack when you let off pressure. So good thing is when I put the casters on the bench over there, they really only can now go on one way, and they will be lined up properly. Ugh. And there we go. Feet are on. It's vertical. That's good. These right here are the pins you put in for your press bed. And go ahead and get our springs mounted up in here. Gonna do a little cheating here. And there we go. So I ask that you forgive the camera angles tonight. I'm working solo, so by the way, if you've decided to stick around this far and in any way like what you've seen, please subscribe, like, totally helps out. What I gotta do now is I gotta get this these springs off just like that, very violently and quickly, because I wouldn't have it any other way. All right, now that we've got all this stripped off, we can get this put in the press. All right, so what I got here is I got to pull the press bed, this piece down far enough to get the jack in there. So what I did is I took a couple motorcycle tie downs and I anchored them to the press bed down below. That gives us enough room to get the press in. I'm going to scroll out the top a little bit, hold it in place. And there you go. All right, so there it's all in there. I figured we'd do some of that crazy press channel action. Got a piece of plastic in here we're going to destroy real quick. And make sure she's locked down. All right, so I decided to do something different. We're going to smash this old GM pickup style headlight switch. And then we wait. My patience wore thin. I went and hooked up the big shop air, so here we go. Let's make some damage. Now, there you have it. Destroyed headlight switch. So we've proved, if nothing else, I can break stuff with it. So one of the things I plan on getting is going to be the Swag off-road knob for this. I'm going to be getting the Swag off-road arbor plates, and I'm going to be getting the Swag off-road multi-finger brake for it as well. So lots more stuff to come for the press, and thank you guys again for watching. I want to thank everybody for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It helps us out immensely. We're really trying to get to 1,000 so we can get our monetization turned on, and we're a couple hundred shy, 220-ish, 320-ish, somewhere in there. So please smash the like button, hit subscribe, turn on your notifications, and right here you can check out some more videos, and stick around, lots more to come.